Welcome to another edition of Oil and Gears. Today we are going to work on the exhaust, the DC Sport that I found on a 2.0 release series Scion. So we're going to clean it up, we're going to brush it down, we're going to use some steel wool to bring out the chrome, and then what I want to do is get a steel brush and brush off the part of the exhaust piping and then paint it black. So here we go, let's do it. Now that we've gotten this cleaned up with some steel wool, the chrome is popping. I really like the way it looks compared to what it was. There is some damage here at the bottom, as you can see. I guess you can, from scraping, it's kind of bent here and here, which is fine. Nobody sees that. And there's a dent here, but you can see the badge here for the Scion 2.0, which is pretty cool. And then the DC Sport etching here on the tip. I did take off the silencer from the inside. It's just a 12mm screw that goes in here. So it fits like this, but I'm gonna leave it out for now. I wanna see what it sounds like without this, but I'm gonna clean this up as well. I don't have to, but I kinda want to make, bring it back to life. So we'll also hit the pipe with the steel brush and then paint it with some high temperature black paints. That way when I install it, nothing smells or burnt from the spray paint. Now that I've gotten the pipe cleaned up as much as I want, we're going to hit it up with some Rust-Oleum high temp black. All right, so we cleaned up the DC Sport exhaust, put it on the car. Sounds great. I'm gonna make sure not to put that silencer on because it doesn't sound anything like how I want it. It sounds like this hunk of junk. So like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.